How's it going, guys? I'm Ethan from Zappos.com, and this is the Summit Unknown V2 from New Balance. The warm weather is finally here, so that means it's time to get out and start jogging again. What better place to start jogging than some trails in your local neighborhood? You may have never been there, and these shoes are going to make sure you're going to discover some new places because they are awesome trailblazers. It's got a very highly breathable mesh knit upper, which is protected from toe strikes by a durable rock stop deflector shield across the forefoot. It's got a Skeletal FantomFit upper, which supplies lightweight support and a better feel. There's a traditional lace-up closure for a very tight fit, and it's got a padded collar and tongue for a very tight fit. It's got a little pull tab there on the heel so you can get this on much easier, and it's got a very soft fabric lining on the inside. It comes with a removable cushiony foam footbed for extra comfort, and it sits on a REVlite midsole, which is going to provide a lightweight ride without sacrificing underfoot cushioning or stability. The bottom is hydrohension rubber, which is a compound that delivers advanced grip in wet weather and amphibious conditions. It's finished with spike-shaped lugs in order to support movement through loose terrain. These are going to be some awesome running shoes. Get out and explore the trails with these fantastic shoes. You're going to love them. They're from New Balance.